do marriage. Before this age, if they will do, then it is a crime. He or she will be punished. Okay, so this law was also passed. Now, in the concept of small family, happy family, ideals for every society and family. So, if our family is small, okay, if you are one brother and you are having or a one sister, you are only two child for your parents, then it will be easier for your parents to give you a good education. They can send you in a good school. Yes, yes, they can give you good food. Okay, the necessities which you are needing, they can fulfill your all your dreams. Okay, so if there is a small family, then they can fulfill all your needs. So these laws were passed for the control of overpopulation. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now our next topic, that is population density. First of all, tell me, you understood the population growth and which are the reasons why the population increasing and decreasing. First of all, there was decrease in death rate, but now there is increase in birth rate. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So first of all, what is the meaning of birth rate? Birth rate means what? The total births per thousand person. There are per thousand person means total birth. If in 1 month there is a birth of, take it, 1500 child, 1500 mothers are giving birth to the children. Okay, so total birth per thousand persons in 1 year. Okay, in 1 month there is 1500 per thousand persons. Okay, in 1 year in a given area is known as birth rate. Understood what is birth rate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in some places, due to birth rate, there is lack of education, lack of health facilities, lack of poverty is getting more, unemployment we are facing. Okay, and what is death rate? The total death per thousand person. Total death means in 1 month the death rate is, take it 250. Okay, per thousand person, and we are counting how much per thousand person in 1 year. How much year? 1 year in a given area is known as death rate. Understood what is
Yes,
birth rate and
ma'am.
Yes,
death
ma'am.
rate? Okay, and which five states have maximum population? This is for your knowledge. Which five states and union territories have, which five states have, which union territories, who will service? What are
Ma'am, your
union
voice is
territories? Who will
cutting.
tell me? What are union territories? Who will tell me?
What, ma'am?
Union territories means what? Means what, girls? Union territories means the central government, okay, which are included in central government. That is, first of all, union territories are seven types of union territories are there. First is Lakshadweep Island, Daman and Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli, then Andaman Nicobar Islands, Sikkim. These all are included where? In union territories. So, which five states have highest population and union territories having least population? So, which are five states? Note down in your book. Girls, note down in your book. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Bihar, then West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh. Which are the five states having more population? Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh. And having least population, Union territories having least population. That you note down. Lakshadweep Island, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Andaman Nicobar Island, and Sikkim. Lakshadweep Island, Daman and Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Andaman Nicobar Island, and Sikkim. Understood?
Yes.
Girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Understood this much?
Yes.
Now, next topic, that is population density. What is population density? What is the meaning of population density? First of all, average number of people. The average number of people. If we will not count properly, okay? We will not count properly, but we will take the average of people living per square kilometer. Okay, living per kilometer area, that is known as population density. Means count, if we are counting of one kilometer area, then living per square kilometer, the average number of people living per square kilometer, then it is known as population density. Understood, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, for example, I will give Azad Nagar is spread over an area of 4 square kilometer. Azad Nagar is how much distance it is having? 4 kilometer. Okay. એટલે that one area is how much kilometer it is spread about? Azad Nagar is spread about 4 square kilometer. Understood? And their person are living 1000. Okay, number of population is 1000 person. So 1000 upon 4, 1000 upon 4, so we will get it 250 person. So 1 square kilometer, how many person are living? 250 persons are living. How many persons are living? 250 persons. So this is population density. Understood,
Yes, ma'am.
girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The area is about, it is spread about 4 square kilometer. Okay. And in that area, in 4 square kilometer, how many persons are living? There are living 1000 persons. So what is population density? The number of people. The number of people living per square kilometer in the particular area is known as population density. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which are the factors affecting the population density? First is social, economic, and geographical condition. Geographical means climatic changes are going on. Okay, disaster
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not
population.
coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Now it is clear.
Ma'am, it's coming. Now it's coming, but it is cutting.
Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
Which are the first is social, economic means related to money, geographical means climate going on, some disaster management. Okay, so if you are living near river bank, then you are facing some problems. If there is more rainfall, then what happens? Then what happens? Can you hear me, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so if you are living near forest areas, okay, then we are afraid of animals. Yes, moreover, now transport facilities, communication facilities, all the things have been develop. Okay, so due to this our there is increase in population density. Understood, girls? Who will read population density? Girls,
Ma'am,
I
can
am
I?
asking you. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, can I? The
Yes,
proportion
fun
of
beta.
population.
Beta, your voice
The
is
pro-
not coming.
1 minute, ma'am. The proportion of pollution residing in a specific
Population.
area. Yes. The proportion of population residing in a specific area is population density. In short, the average number of persons living per square kilometer area is termed as population density. Population
Understood?
density is
The average number of person living in per square kilometer area. If you are living in Sishuviar is how much kilometer it is about? How much kilometer it is spread Sishuviar area? Then it is of 4 kilometer. Okay, and people living is 2000. So in 1 kilometer area, how many people are living is known as population density. Understood,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
girls? Okay,
yes, ma'am.
next.
Population density is associated with social, economical, and geographical situation.
Next. In all the countries population is different. Okay, in all the states, in all the countries, I have told you that 5 states which are having highest population, so they are having highest population density. It is not uniform. Uniform means it is not equal, but it is not having, if one year it is about 2000, then in second year it will be rise up to 4000 also. Okay, so it is not uniform. Read. Read.
Read Shifa.
Delisha, you only continue, beta.
Okay, ma'am. The population in all the countries is very different. In our country also, various are. What is this word?
Area.
Various
Area.
area
Area.
and states don't have some same population. There is no uniformity. Population density is high in areas near the bank of rivers, industrial area, fertile regions of peninsular area, etc. But in other areas like desert, hilly areas, forest area, the population density is low due to the favorable. Hello, ma'am.
True.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, you read, Delisha.
Ma'am, your voice.
Read next.
Mhm. Okay, ma'am.
Which are the
Factors
factors
affecting.
affecting the dense population?
Yes. Factors affecting dense population. Density of population is affected by various factors of environment like altitude, climate, weather, energy sources, etc. Apart from their availability, transport, communication, education, facilities, health, industrialization, employment opportunities urbanization, latest technology, etc. also affects density of population.
So understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood what is population growth and what is population density. And I have told you 5 states having maximum population and least population. Okay? Understood this much, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Girls,
ma'am.
any doubt
Yes,
related to
ma'am.
this?
No,
बोलो
ma'am.
कौन सा डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
100%?
Yes.
100% girls?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.